Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the intercooler and the charge pipe on my car because I already kind of got a stage 2 tune, so that's the only thing that's left to install to be running consistently with the stage 2. So let me show you the boxes. This one right here, the intercooler, and the charge pipe is further down there. So I'm gonna be dropping my bumper right now, and I guess we'll see how it goes. So let me grab some tools and get back to you. So we're currently taking off the bumper. Already removed these screws. Now it's just the sides left and the bottom. Here's the charge pipe. It's aluminum and it's in multiple pieces, so you gotta put it together, I guess. And then here's the intercooler. Looks badass and heavy too. But this is what my car needs. This is what we have it looking so far. Already removed these vents. Now we're removing this bottom vent or shroud, whatever you want to call it, and then that's the intercooler that we need access to. So looking good so far.
Show them my baby.
Your baby? I got you. Look at this car. Fire. Has M bumpers because mine just has M pack. He has M look style bumpers, and almost done wrapping. Just have the front bumper left, and I need to paint my front wheels, install spacers, and then it should be good to go. We're gonna try to finish everything today. Come on, man, you can do it.
Yeah, almost done.
What is he doing? God damn. Just pull that shit out. Don't be a pussy. Damn, this guy. Taking his sweet ass time. Finally. That's the intercooler right there. We're gonna remove, and we're also gonna remove this charge pipe, install a new one because the original one is like rubber and plastic, so it tends to break a lot, and it connects to the intercooler at the bottom and to the throttle body, I believe. So we're gonna install an aluminum one and should be perfect. Alright, let's get back to work. Here's the stock intercooler. Just removed it. It's very small, dirty.
Engine oil.
Yeah,
There's water.
Water inside. Some oil in the charge pipe. Great. Now we're removing the charge pipe. Just need to remove this clamp. And the way we remove the intercooler, there are two pipes, that one and this one. They also have clamps. You remove those clamps, and then two bolts at the bottom that hold the intercooler. That's it. Then it just slides out. Turbo fucked up?
No, I don't think so. We need to close and fit this valve.
Yeah.
And the most important right now, we need to change the oil.
This thing is not sitting right.
Because oil have a water inside and it's not really good for engine. And 20B20 it's как сложно сказать?
Hard.
Hard. It's a hard and technologically. How it will be on English? Technology engine. And I don't think it's really good if we will have water inside the engine. It's not really good.
Yeah, basically somehow I got water inside the engine, probably because of this pipe right here. The clip on it is broken, so it keeps popping out.
We just finished.
Yeah, and because it has oil and water in the pipe, so that's not good. We just finished putting the new charge pipe together. This is what it looks like. There are two holes over here that we had to close with the bolts. This is for the vacuum line, and then on the other side there's a sensor that we almost done putting on. And this is the original. And the new kit comes with two seals, as you can see right here, the rubber seal on both sides, as well as some screws, but you have to transfer the, what's it called, these clamps from the stock to the this one. So yeah, other than that, we're about to start putting it on the car, and it looks like there's no oil in the throttle body, so I guess I'm safe. Alright, we're gonna test fit this bad boy. Can't see what's going on there. Alright, we're gonna do this together and I'll get back to you once it's done. Hey, there it is. Already got it installed. It was kind of difficult to get this pipe on because it's kind of short. See, we had to put this clamp a little higher because of this clamp is like right on the edge, but it's fine. It's holding good. So what now? If I start it, is it gonna be any different?
I forget if it will be the same. Just for safety, for your mental safety and for safety.
Yeah, I agree. Pretty much the charge pipe is for the safety of the engine, to make sure it doesn't die or the pipe doesn't crack, because it's aluminum now, and the intercooler is gonna give you me cooler engine, I guess, and better performance. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the install. I know it wasn't like in detail, but I showed you as much as possible because it's difficult to do. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care, peace.